Hi, I'm Francis Teo, immediate past president of MACEOS and also the organizing chairperson for the upcoming EventXpo 2024. It's organized by MACEOS and co-organized by MyCEB. It is held in conjunction with the Malaysian Business Event Week on the 19th to 21st of August 2024 at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre. So this event is actually our first event, our first industry event to showcase our industry, our business event industry, but not just encompassing the business event, but encompassing the whole event industry ecosystem. First of all, we'd like to thank MyCEB for giving us this opportunity to have this event together. It's a 3 days program where there's a 3 days exhibitions, there's a 2 days conference. We will have up to 50 hosted buyers from MyCEB that will be visiting the show. We will also have about 200 up to 300 conference delegates that's attending the conference for 2 days. It will also be attended by the ASEAN Conventions Bureau Alliance as well. There's a meeting on the first day, and as well as the Malaysian National Youth Challenge that will encompassing about 10 universities that will compete on our event bidding challenge on the last day. So it is an event not just for the business event industry, but it's also for the next upcoming future talents. That's why we want to engage them, to tell them what the business event industry is all about. I would like to also, first of all, acknowledge our business partner or our event partner. We have the official booth contractors, ECO, official B2B and event apps, Jubilia, official registration, EventXpo, our official press release and also distribution partner, PR News Worldwide, official venue, Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre, and also official media partner, Edison Media. And definitely our co-organizer, led by Encik Asman Tambicik, Malaysian Convention Exhibition Bureau. The EventXpo we are trying to showcase the industry trend, what is the latest gadget or the latest product that's available in the market, and what is our member able to also offer to not just in the industry, but into the economy and also to other parts of the industry as well. And we have close to about 100 booths available for the 3 days event. We envisage that this would be an annual event for the industry, and we are looking into not growing this event only larger, but also to position this event as a regional event to showcase Malaysia as the premium business events destination in this region. We'd like also to showcase there is to be a pavilion. There will be a big pavilion coming from Sarawak. There's will be another pavilion coming from Sabah, as well from Penang. So I would like to invite you to come and visit us from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. 19 to the 21st August 2024 at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre. For more info, you can visit our website www.eventexpo.my.